Suppose if you consider, by just listening first time, I saw my apartment buildings. My apartment building, G plus 15, 16 floors. 16 floors building, how much height? That is the safety wall they created, they constructed. How much distance? Almost around 10 to 15 kilometers. Not just a small wall. 15 kilometers. 10 to 15 kilometers they constructed. Okay, no, almost impossible. No one is going to attack them. Next, they did cultivation. They did cultivation. With limited resources only, they created a big richness, man. Limited resources only. They created a big richness kind of thing. Really, 8,000 years before, facilities, can you please imagine? Nothing will be there. They know somewhere UNESCO people in the archaeologists, whenever they are identified, they identify clay tablets. Clay tablets. Clay tablets means, with the clay, they are going to create one small slate kind of thing. On that, they are going to write next to that clay. They are going to keep inside a fire. Okay, to make that writings permanent. They identified clay tablets. In that, what the statements are there? Do you know how 8,000 before years? What they wrote is, today I gave my cow to this person for 10 bags of wheat. I took 6 bags, 4 bags are pending. Like their accounting, they wrote on the clay tablets. Today, they identified those things, man. Really, the people got shocked like anything. 8,000 years before civilization, how, like next to that wall construction in the desert, without having any facility, no forest, no gold mine, no luxury. Big water facilities are also not there. They cultivated. Wow, what a wonderful, civilization, man. Really, by listening, first time I didn't, story like I thought that. But after seeing, like, do you know that compound wall they created? How much height? Just now I told. How much height?
160 feet.
160. Like 6 to 8 horses parallelly. Okay, they can run chariot with a 6 to 8 horses chariot. It's going to run on that compound wall. Okay, irrigation systems they build, canals they build, cultivation they did in every area. So they succeeded. The total world is with the Stone Age, but these people are just beyond. Remember this. Well, that's a beauty, man. So from those people, we have the opportunity to learn.